everybody, Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I want to set the foundation and give you the platform necessary you can leverage right now to really explode your business, dominate your competition in this upcoming year. Now we already crushed 2018, we got to make 2019 even better. So I'm going to give you some of the basics you can leverage, then some strategies you can dive into to really set yourself apart from the crowd, whether you're in the carpet installation business, a general contractor, window washer, landscaper, whatever the case may be. This is going to help set you apart from the crowd. So first things first, we're on Vistaprint here. Vistaprint, without a doubt, has the best deals on business cards, all sorts of promotional items. But what I'd like for you to focus on is actual postcards. Business cards, in my opinion, are dead. And when people request them, it's just because it's a common thing to say. But what I usually do is have people put my name and phone number directly into their phone. Everybody in my marketplace knows me as Carpet Mike. So, they put my name directly in their phone, and that's how they get a hold of me. They forward my information out to their friends when they request for a carpet installer in the area. But instead of business cards to set yourself apart from the crowd, make your business card a flashy postcard. That way, anytime someone gets a business card, they request it, but they always throw it out. A postcard actually goes into the drawer in their kitchen, and they can pull that back out. So if you haven't done so already, create a postcard on Vistaprint, or really you could do it anywhere, but Vistaprint for sure has the best deals. Make it nice and flashy and jump out, and they will for sure save your contact information, and nobody else is doing that. That is step one to set yourself apart from the crowd. Now I should have backed up a little bit. Before you create your business card, you may want to consider setting up an account with Vumber. Now, for $10 a month, you could get 2 new phone numbers from Vumber. And what's cool about this is you take Vumber and you get your new numbers, and they actually track every single person that calls and texts you. Now, what's important about this is most contractors are completely careless, sloppy, lazy, disorganized, whatever. And I'm not saying that in a negative way. It's just that you have so much other stuff on your plate. You don't take the time to log everybody's contact information in a good way that you could leverage to make more money. If you use Vumber for only $10 a month, they'll track every phone call that comes in and hits your number, and you can follow up with those numbers to create more business. So let's say you went to Vumber, you created a phone number in here, and they got a 14-day free trial. This is what I use for a lot of my businesses. And then you went over to Vistaprint and you printed off some postcards there and put this phone number on there for promotional. Now, here's where we're going to get into some strategy that most contractors are not leveraging. One is call fire. Now, what this does, and I'm sure everybody's experienced this, but not a lot of people leverage this. With call fire, you could record a message and send it out to anybody's phone number that has contacted you, and it dives directly into their voicemail. So their phone never rings. They just get a voicemail and say, what the heck? And you could say, hey, this is Joe Plumber. I just wanted to reach out and let you know we are doing free service calls for the whole month of January, 50% off. Go ahead and book your appointment today. Leave your phone number, and that's it. And then you'll get a flood of incoming calls that'll generate potential leads for you that you were not able to reach out to at a reasonable rate prior to this. The next one, a little more obnoxious, but if you're aggressive, dive right into it. Easy texting. This is a text messaging service that does the same thing. You could promote whatever sale you have from the phone numbers that came into your lead generation there, and you could text them a blast saying, for every referral, we'll give you a $25 Starbucks gift card. Whatever your promo is, super affordable, super easy way to get in front of thousands of your existing clients or in hundreds of your new clients, wherever you're at on your journey. But once again, nobody is doing these things. So this will set you apart from the crowd. This is real big in the marketing and real estate investment space, and they're kind of ahead of the curve. So if you leverage this in your business, trust me, your competition is going to fold under that type of pressure. Now, next, we are going to go over to Lead Pages. Lead Pages, without a doubt, is my favorite platform to use to create websites and opt-in pages. Now, fact, you do not need a flashy website. All you need is a simple template opt-in page with your contact information on it and something to capture your potential clients' information. So you go in here, it's all drag and drop. All you do is pick a template, and you can start building it out. Anybody can use this, and we will have some promotions as well. If you need help building one out, we'll be able to assist you with that if you're interested. But basically, you just create a template. Say we went with this. You'd plug and play all your information here. You could throw in a quick video telling them all about yourself. And then what you would want to add is some form of opt-in. So like that, the download button, I would say enter your email address for 25% off your next service, or enter to win something, something, something. We give away this every single month to a random subscriber. Something that's going to enable you to capture people's information. That's all you need. You don't need a big flashy website. And Lead Pages as well has, I think, a 14-day free trial if you wanted to sample it. And I think it's only like $25 a month, but it's super easy to work with and create new websites and templates you can use to expand your business and capture clients' information. Once you build your website, your simple site here, you want to go over to GoDaddy. Now within GoDaddy here, now that was a template I was building out last night that was on that last page, but all you would do is type in your domain name here that you're looking for. So if your Big Joe plumbing service, whatever the case may be, you type that in, see if it's available. You would just click search the domain, and if it's available, you could buy it. Typically all domains, unless they're really, really flashy, or if someone else owns them, you could buy them for under $15 a year. If it's a premium, like we own Taking Action Today, that cost us $500 because it was a premium domain. But the vast majority of them you could buy for under $15. And once you own it, you would just redirect the domain name right over to your new website, and boom, you're up and running on the full digital side of your business. And like I said, most contractors are not leveraging these strategies. So this is going to set you apart from the crowd in your marketplace right off the rip. Now, quick factor here, there is going to be a cheat sheet in the description here. So if you need to reference this again, all these links will be provided, no opt-in necessary, completely free. You just drop by that link in the description below and you'll be able to access everything I'm sharing here. So we set up your foundation for your new business. Now we got to go over to social and let the world know what we're doing. Now, the big four to focus on is Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. This is where a lot of money's at. Now, you could do like Twitter for brand recognition or Pinterest, but focus on those big four, or really just focus on one and dominate the space, but don't mess around with a lot of the smaller ones until you get those up and running. Like Periscope, you could do that, but it's kind of dead. So I wouldn't do that unless you just wanted extra brand recognition. Pick one of the social sites, one of the big four, or all four if you have a team and they can really make it happen for you, and start building out, letting people know what you do on those platforms. Now, next, we need to get into marketing. Where are we going to get more business at than we could possibly handle in 2019 and beyond? So first off, Realtor.com. Real estate agents and the real estate market in the United States, for that matter, is completely on fire right now. So search out whatever city you're in and see who the agents are that have the most listings, and do whatever it takes to get in front of them. Drop by their office, give them a gift, and just give them a quick pitch. Don't overwhelm them. Just make your name nice and fresh in their mind, and see if you can get an opportunity to do the work and service their clients, and really build that relationship, because it'll all be organic referrals from there on out. Real estate agents are a huge, huge part of my business. And once you're in with them, you're smooth sailing. So you could go to Realtor.com, also Zillow, and you could go ahead and connect with agents on this platform as well. Same thing, just type in your city and address and see who has the most listings there. Do whatever it takes to get in front of them, build the relationship, and go from there. Have them promote your business. Another slick spot, join meetups or create meetups for small business owners. So meetup.com is a great place to connect with other professionals, other niches. It basically is a gathering for any certain group of people, but they definitely have ones for entrepreneurs, small business owners. One thing I want to share with you here, you would think that real estate investors would be a huge source of money-making opportunities for you. In my marketplace, majority of these cats have no money and they're super cheap. So I would avoid real estate investors, but other business owners, that's where you want to connect with people, or real estate agents, because you can really provide a service to people that can afford your services and help you expand. Now, these are the big ones here. Now, a few others that I want to share with you that are still effective and super affordable. The first one is newspaper ads. Now, everybody thinks newspapers are dead, and they kind of are, but there is an older demographic that still reads the papers. They love the classified section, and you could promote things like repair type services. So, if you're a plumber, a carpet installer, carpet cleaner, that's a great place for you to promote and get in front of an older demographic that wants smaller niche type jobs, but it's easy cash money for you. Another thing, direct mail postcards. Click to mail is a good one to use. You could pull data like active real estate listings in your area, create a postcard, and have click to mail send it all out to all those active listings, and you could help them, these active listings. Let me offer my services to make your listing look better so you could get it sold faster. And then another quick strategy I want to share with you is mom and pop restaurants in your area. Go ahead and, you've been in them. You see the little fish bowl there where they say, drop in your business card and enter to win a free meal. You could collect so much data from that and then send a bunch of pizzas or a bunch of subs to their offices as a thank you with a bunch of your cards, or you could even do a pitch to all them. So either way, you could do it in a passive manner where you just send lunch to the whole office one day for a couple $100 and everybody's like, oh my gosh, that was so cool of Joe Plumber to do that. Now you're going to get all their leads, or at least a percentage of those leads. So these are some really simple, really affordable, super slick strategies you can use to set yourself apart from the crowd in 2019 and beyond to really dominate and build your business. So like I said, in the description, there's a link with a cheat sheet to all of these resources. Go ahead and check that out down there. Be sure to tap the subscribe button. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.